What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Vince, if you guys are new, and this is part 5 of the modded Supra series where I bring you guys various modified Supras. Just because there's only so much I can talk about with my car, and I know here in the Dallas area where I'm at, there's plenty of Supras. So thankfully, we have a special one for you guys today. We have this beautiful Toyota Supra. That is, I mean, this is definitely goals for me. So we'll walk through the modified list later, but first time I saw this car, like my jaw dropped, because I always had a special place in my heart for white cars. And when I saw this, I was like, man, the setup was perfect. I first saw like with the stock wheels in the front, but these sweet welds in the rear. It's just so damn aggressive that I was like, dude, this is definitely goals. So owner's name is Matt, so we'll introduce you guys over to him.
What's up, guys? How y'all doing? Welcome to the tube.
Awesome. So Matt, just kind of, why did you decide to go with the Supra platform?
I think it's just the best bang for buck in the market as far as speed wise. I was looking at RS3s, TTRSs, but I mean, my dad had a Mark IV back in the day. He had a white one too, exactly. And I just want to keep the heritage alive. But yeah.
I think you're doing a pretty good job, because this thing, I mean, this thing is freaking sweet. So people are going to be wondering, like, what mods are done to this car?
We can start from the front, I guess.
Yeah, let's do that.
Carbon fiber vents here. Nothing too crazy. I got the full Maxton aero kit. Reason I got it, cheap, affordable. If it breaks, for an example, if it breaks, it's easily replaceable. But soon it's gonna go full Maxton kit. I mean, full aim gain kit. And then, as you can see, iconic TE 37s.
Can never go wrong.
Can never go wrong. Never go wrong.
I mean, I'm a little bit biased when I say that, just because I got T's on my car, but dude.
Yeah, you can never go wrong. Or you could go gram lights, but you know. I went ahead and wrapped, I don't know if you noticed here, but I wrapped the roof of the car just to make it flow better. And then we get to the back. I have the aim gain wing. Pretty unique. Not a lot of people run it.
Yeah.
Especially here in DFW.
It's paint matched perfectly too.
Yeah. And then we went ahead and got a full titanium catback exhaust from Boost Logic. As you can see, this kind of gold at the bottom. We heat treated it ourselves, put a flame to it.
Oh, you guys did it yourselves?
Yeah, try to get that gold look.
I mean, I'll do some insert some B-roll shots here so you guys can see a little bit better, but that thing is gold.
And that's basically it for cosmetics wise. I mean, I can show you real quick. We have a roll cage in it.
Yes, let's do that.
RSR version 1.
And yeah, you still have like plenty of the trunk space. So if you guys are wondering about doing a roll cage in your car, there's still space here, so you guys can definitely
there's plenty
still use it. Because this is your daily?
No, this is not. This is my weekend car. I have a 4Runner for the daily, and this is just for fun runs.
Shoot, man.
Yeah.
And we'll definitely walk through the performance stuff. But on the wheels, can you give the viewers the specs on them? I know the offset, can't remember the offset off the top of your head, but we can always add it after the fact.
Yeah, so the fronts are going to be 19 by 9, and then the rears are going to be 19 by 11.
Yeah, it's wrapped on 265 35 19s.
And the rears are 305 45, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, 305 35s when I saw earlier.
On some Nittos, 555s.
Dude, these are top-notch tires. That's what I run on mine.
Yeah, I mean, they grip okay. Nothing too crazy. Nothing like some welds, though.
Oh,
on
no,
some Mickey Thompsons. Nothing like that. But yeah.
Not at all.
I would say that's the goal. That's not the goal. The GT3RS, that's the goal.
Hopefully that you guys can hear that.
Thank gosh, that's not my car. That would have been so embarrassing. But
What a good surprise. But yeah, so interior wise,
interior, nothing too crazy. Just change the seat belts to red. You know, kind of match the vibe I was going for. Red, white, and black.
yeah.
Everything else pretty solid. Shifters, carbon fiber.
So is the I see that you did like the paddles. Are they like full replacements or
No, they're not full replacements. They just
they
buckle
just
right
snap
in.
on?
Yeah, they're
That looks
snapped
really
on
nice.
3M and
Yeah, no, this is really nice. And what about like what about the seat belts? Like how do you guys do that? Was it like complicated? You guys just buy?
no, it wasn't too hard at all. Just it's plug and play.
Oh, really?
Honestly, it's pretty easy.
Yeah, it's really nice. Nice and simple. I mean, I don't know why people complain about. I mentioned this in Devin's video. It's like I don't know why people complain about the freaking BMW interior, man. I'm just like, dude, it's clean.
Yeah,
It works.
It's not. I mean, not really Toyota, but still looks nice in my opinion. I mean, I wish
Yeah.
they gave us the new M4 seats, but you know,
Oh man,
can't complain.
I
Carbon fiber buckets.
wonder if someone will ever like retrofit those to
I
platform because
I honestly wanted to do that.
oh really?
Yeah, I
you
wanted
should.
to, but
Then I'll be more jealous.
yeah, but then it would say M4 on the back of my seat.
true. Or you can do one-offs and then put Supra on them.
Yeah, just rip them off and Toyota emblem or something.
Yeah. Well, let's walk through the good part.
All
Let's walk through the performance stuff because this is where people are going to be asking about.
Okay.
So yeah,
So
let's do it.
I'll go ahead and pop the hood for you.
Sounds good. This paint for glistens
Yeah,
out
ready?
here in the sun.
You
Yep.
ready? Okay. There you go.
Oh yeah, look at that. That shit ain't stock, boys and girls. Yeah, this is really, really clean. And if you know what you're looking at, you know that it's pretty serious. So yeah, walk us through the performance mods you got done to this baby.
Cool. So this is a full race 60, 80, 70 top mount turbo kit. Right now it's running 28 pounds of boost, around 900 horsepower. I have the KLM oil catch cans, Boost Logic Flex Fuel 1300, ID injectors, and that's basically it.
And then running full flex fuel, right?
Correct, yeah, full flex fuel,
And then
100%
tune.
E85. I'm tuned by the one and only Mikey Botti. If you already know.
Mikey, getting a lot of shout outs, man. I feel like I've been reviewing a lot of your cars. So here's another
Body
good
sauce,
example.
body sauce.
Exactly. If you guys know, you know. But Body's been awesome. He's tuned a lot of my cars. So yeah, I mean, this is pretty serious kit. So if you guys didn't know, with you were telling me off camera with the full race kit, it comes with like the charge pipe, right?
Yep, full kit, comes with charge pipe, everything that you need, downpipe, everything. Custom powder coat by yours truly.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh, you guys did? You guys did?
I just got some stuff so I can do some small
Oh,
minor
shit.
stuff, but
Well, once I get my own, then I'll have to hit you up for powder coating.
yeah.
And you still got the stock cover. Do you guys have to do a lot of modification to make that?
Just a couple cuts here and there. So like for the oil catch can example, just right here. And honestly, it's not even really placed on there. You can low-key just pull it off. It's custom fab for right now until I cut my carbon fiber one, because I have carbon fiber one from AMS, but
Are you gonna end up doing like a intake manifold on this?
yes, I heard EOS is coming out with a new one. I'm thinking about going with them, but we'll see. I don't know 100% yet who I want to go with.
No, this is clean. And then of course you got the Boost Logic cab back that you guys saw earlier. So we'll show you guys that again, right there. So you were telling me that this is like their version 1.5 because you were running the V1 mid pipe and then this is the V2, kind of like I would say like Devin's, right?
Yeah, kind of. So basically, when I had the version 1, it was full titanium, so over time it'll crack from the heat. It started cracking, and we went ahead and hit up Boost Logic, some good friends of ours, and we sent it off, and they're like, hey, we'll just warranty it out for you basically, and gave us the version 2 rear section, and then the mid pipe is version 1. So kind of special, 1.5, you know, we're different.
Yeah, I mean, it sounds freaking good. Like, heard it coming up here, I was like, all right, Matt's coming on up. So different caliber, of course, compared to the other cars that I've reviewed on the channel. This one is definitely more serious. So this is what gets me excited to do this series, because you get to see a lot of different Supra builds, especially, you know, this beautiful white one that Matt owns. The natural question is, would you do this again? Let's say you start off with a clean slate, completely bone stock Supra. Would you do these mods?
Of course, 100%, all day, every day.
There you guys.
It's best bang for buck, like I said in the beginning, just best bang for buck. There's nothing really out there that you could really get that you can throw money in, well, very little money in, and put out so much power.
I mean, even just with the simple,
Full
like, aesthetic
bolt-on,
mods.
Yeah.
Because with aim, gain, wing, and then, oh yeah, it's lowered on H&R springs. So
Yeah.
how has your experience been like for the springs?
Ride stock, honestly, it feels good. Not super stiff, not super soft, but it feels honestly perfect. I wouldn't change anything else. Like, you could go coilovers, but I mean, look at it.
Yeah, it's pretty aggressive setup. And you said that it doesn't rub too,
No,
right?
not at all, no.
Man, yeah, the stance it's on here is like perfect. Shoot. So what type of person would you recommend going this kind of build? I'm sure people are wondering about that.
Someone that just wants to have fun, you know, like if you want to go have some fun runs against some twin turbo Huracans and stuff like that, this is your best bet. Best bang for buck. I mean, hey, shout out to Baba Yaga, you know.
He gets everyone's Supra itch.
Yeah.
And putting some respect on the B58 name. So make sure you guys check out Baba Yaga's channel so you can see. I mean, in his channel, he's featured a bunch of different like setups that he's done with his car, and then other Supras in the Florida area. I mean, Mexico.
Mexico.
Yeah, Mexico.
Hopefully you'll see me in Mexico soon on his channel. We'll see.
Yeah. We'll definitely be doing follow-up videos on your car, dude, because this thing is sweet. And I mean, especially since you got this big boy.
Yeah.
I brought my draggy too.
Oh yeah?
So I mean, next time, once it's like fully ready to go.
Yeah, fully ready. Whenever I get the trans rebuilt, because I am going get the trans rebuilt so I can get that 1,000 horsepower. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. So actually, that's a good segue into like my next question is, what's your future plans for the car? So you said just basically build transmission, right?
Yeah. I mean, only thing left really is built transmission, because I mean, anything after that, if you want more power, you got to rebuild the engine. I'm trying to stay budget friendly as possible, I guess you can say.
Mm-hmm.
See what I can push out of the stock block, and we'll see how it goes.
Dude, this is pretty sweet. So what would your recommendation be for the viewers then? Like, would you recommend them to go straight to a build like this, or kind of go one by one, you know, see what stage that they like in the build
I mean,
process?
I recommend going one by one. I mean, full bolt-ons in a tune, you're pretty fast then still. But if that doesn't crave your itch for more power, skip the pure turbos, go big boy. Shoot,
man. Yeah, this is goals, guys. So hopefully later on in the channel, you guys will see this the same setup on mine, and then of course I'll be doing a lot of content. But yeah, I mean, any last things you want to say to the viewers and subs, Matt, before we do?
Stay safe. Don't go too crazy whenever you get this much power. It's crazy.
There you guys have it. So thanks again, guys, for tuning in. Matt, I appreciate you walking me through your car, because dude, this thing is sick. And yeah, check out the other videos in the build series. They're in my channel. I'll conveniently put them in the description box below, so you guys can see what type of build you would like to, you know, replicate or just kind of build off on, so you guys aren't reinventing the wheel. And yeah, I'm excited to bring more content like this to you guys. We have a couple more crazy cars that I have planned in the pipeline, so be on the lookout for that. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, make sure to follow Matt on Instagram.
Dang_A91.
There you go. There you guys go. So you can see what kind of cars that this car kicks ass. But yeah, there you guys have it. Stay safe like what Matt said, and I'll see you guys in the next video.